There is something called the Aquatic Ape Theory, which is an evolutionary theory that suggests that humans could have evolved to be adapted to areas around water instead of just land. This theory was initially developed in 1960 by a marine biologist named Alistair Hardy, but it was popularized in the mid 70s by a Welsh woman named Elaine Morgan, who wrote books like The Aquatic Ape and The Scars of Evolution. The theory came from a handful of observations about humans that are honestly a little strange for an ape to have. For example, humans have a thick layer of subcutaneous fat, and that kind of fat distribution is unusual for primates and is more commonly seen in marine mammals that deal with cold and wet environments. Humans also have a very high salt tolerance compared to other animals, which some argue could point to a coastal evolution rather than an inland one. Another reason it was theorized is due to our hairless skin when compared to other primates, which, according to the theory, could assist in reducing drag while in the water. We did, of course, retain some hair in high friction points, like our armpits and groin, but other than that, we're pretty slick, at least by ape standards. While these three features can also be explained by us evolving in an arid region, like subcutaneous fat can help in buffering nutrition during a famine, and hairlessness in helping us control our body temperature through sweating under a hot sun, with our salt tolerance being especially good at dumping heat during endurance hunting. One thing that can't be explained by the desert evolution theory that humans do really well is called the mammalian dive reflex, which is our body's innate reaction to being submerged in cold water, and it's especially strong in our babies and children. The dive reflex slows our heart rate by about 30 to 40%, and it also causes our peripheral blood vessels to constrict, which reroutes our blood to vital organs. Our muscles shift from aerobic metabolism to anaerobic metabolism, which makes oxygen use more efficient. The spleen also reduces extra blood cells, which helps our blood store and transport more oxygen. While other mammals do have the dive reflex as well, humans are particularly good at it for a land based platform. While all of this does make sense, most evolutionary biologists tend to disagree with the aquatic ape theory, since most of these traits can also be explained by the current accepted theory, which is called the Neo Darwin synthesis. So, what do you think? Did humans evolve for water or land? Or did we evolve to be the best ape that mastered both? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching, and stay curious.